BUHI was a bag company that we were asked to market for them over the social media platforms. Throughout this last season, we were able to use 6 different platforms from Facebook to Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter. All 6 of these platforms were used, and this is my overview. $5,000 were allotted to all of us as marketers, and we were given $5,000 each week to grow brand awareness, increase engagement, increase sales, and outperform all of our peers. These were the goals the CMO placed upon us at the beginning of the semester. To grow brand awareness, he asked us to reach out and use the different platforms to get our brand some acknowledgement from as many people as possible throughout the semester. He also wanted us to increase engagement, which we needed to use our different platforms to post at different times and with different content to engage our customers and fans in what we were doing as a company and as a brand. In order to increase sales, we were asked to use the $5,000 to promote our ads and different posts in order to turn all the engagements we were getting into conversions, which would ultimately end up in sales. And the last goal was to outperform all of our peers by generating the most revenue over the course of the semester. My goals, however, were a bit different, but were placed in order to complete the goals the CMO had placed. My first was timing. I wanted to pinpoint, my goal is to pinpoint the different times of day that I needed to post on each social media site in order to produce the most revenue and create the most conversions. Second goal was to engage the audience members with organic postings as well as ads in order to draw them back to our site to create more and more awareness of our brand to ultimately complete some of the major goals of the CMO. The third goal I had was budget and conversions. This means that I wanted to use the $5,000 budget efficiently to generate the most conversions possible by using different percentages, different weeks, and with different timing. Because I knew that if I timed everything just right and engaged my audience just enough and used the budget wise enough, I would be able to generate the most conversions and the most revenue for our company, for this brand. So I decided to allot 75% of all of the money I was given each week, $5,000, to promoting the ads and set 25% into generating the content I would be posting on every page. This allowed me to sufficiently get our ads and our different content out to the people while still being able to purchase new ads and new content to help all of those fans and customers we were bringing in to buy our product and to turn that engagement into conversions. Video just like that one was designed to help improve our engagements and to improve conversions. And we found that was our secret sauce with Facebook and Instagram being our top platforms and engaging the audience. With videos, we found that our conversions were much higher, and even using the videos a couple weeks apart, maybe the same video that we had previously bought, was very successful in our marketing scheme. This allowed us to drive engagements and to drive revenue a lot higher than we had previously done. We also found that something that really didn't work for us was infographics. We used a lot of pictures that promoted the product itself or someone using the product in outdoors, and videos. Those were the top 3 producers for us on Facebook and Instagram being our top platforms. Twitter was also very successful, but not quite as successful as these 2. The crisis, Taylor Swift. She may look nice on the outside, but we found it very hard when she came out with a statement on Twitter saying that she had found a note in her bag that proved that we were mistreating our workers in China. That Chinese workers from jail were being forced to make the bags and that they were being treated very poorly. With this crisis on our hands, we decided to handle the situation very responsibly by being transparent and open with all of our fans and public on all social media platforms. We also reached out to Taylor Swift and were able to swiftly take care of this crisis by asking her to tell her fans that we were also taking care of the situation. This was very important to us as we decided to also be very transparent in more videos that we published about how we actually create the bags and showing people behind the scenes of what we were doing to solve this problem and make sure everything was set right and that we were treating our people humanely. $858,267 was the total revenue we were able to generate over the past weeks. With only using $5,000 a week, we are confident to say that this was a huge success, and we know now that we should definitely continue investing money into our social media platforms because that will generate tons of revenue for our company and tons of awareness for everyone around the world. We ended up taking 7th place amongst our peers, which is not as high as we had hoped, being that we started out a little bit higher in the semester. But overall, we are happy with our results, and we know that social media is a very, very influential platform to generate revenue for your brand. Thank you.